Another key step in our progress in getting our targeted hypothermia therapy approved into market. And of course, it's getting that clinical data, that important human data. We've just signed up a tremendous clinical partner.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now from Boston at one of the biggest biotech conferences you'll see is David Regan. He's the CEO of Sona Nanotech. And David, thanks for joining us from the conference. It's a busy one.
My pleasure, Steve. Yeah, it is. It's pretty crazy. It's got about 6,000 attendees at this conference. All the big pharma as well as the small biotechs here coming to do partnering.
Yeah, and so that's the idea of this, is to sort of meet people that potentially could invest within the company?
Yes, it's investors, it's collaborators, it's partners, it's everyone is here. A great session, a lot of booths up here, a lot of biotech companies, a lot of discussions we're having with potential partners.
Okay, we should talk about today's news, and that is you've entered into a clinical trial agreement in Chile for a feasibility study of your therapy. So just give us a quick overview of what this is about.
Sure, this is another key step in our progress in getting our targeted hypothermia therapy approved into market. And of course, it's getting that clinical data, that important human data. We've just signed up a tremendous clinical partner in Chile, and Santiago has a lot of experience working with tier one operators like Merck and Regeneron, as is listed on their website. Excited, and this is something that is the key step. The next one will be getting ethics approval.
Yeah, and so this will just be sort of the beginning part of it, right? This is sort of the safety part of it. Is that what it is?
So it's a 10-patient study. And
Yeah.
in any medical device early feasibility study, your focus is always on safety and tolerability. Of course, we're going to be looking for efficacy data too. And we're going to be very explicit in terms of sharing with folks exactly what that efficacy data is and what those metrics are that we're going to be looking for.
And just really quickly on timeline, I know you're expecting some interim results by the end of the summer and then more in the fall. Is that accurate?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. We're expecting ethics committee approval shortly. We'll announce that. And then after that, that is the key thing to allow us to go and start recruiting patients and applying our therapy with these patients. These patients are going to be late stage melanoma patients who have failed the best immunotherapy treatments in the world. And we're going to use 2 applications of our THT therapy and track them for 28 days. We're looking for 10 patients, so we'll have, we hope, interim results middle of the summer and full results towards the end into September and fall. Very excited about it, though, Steve, because this is the first time we're actually getting to show what it does in humans and how helpful it can be, we expect, for these patients.
All right, we'll leave it there, David. I know you've got a lot of work and a lot of meetings planned for today, and your shoulder's getting sore from holding the phone up. So thank you very much. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the conference, okay?
Cheers. Thanks so much, Steve. Appreciate it.
All right. There's David Regan. He's the CEO of Sona Nanotech, joining us there from Boston.